Hi everyone and welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I create these cheesy and delicious chicken birria tacos. So first things first, I will be using these peppers. Now people use different kind of peppers, but I decided to go with what I had. So you want to make sure you cut the top off and take out all the seeds. You don't want it that spicy, okay? So that's what I'm doing here. Next, in boiling water, I'm going to add the peppers. You want to soften them up pretty well for about 15 minutes covered. In a bowl, I'm just adding in my seasonings. I will have all of my ingredients listed down below in the description box. This is for the chicken and my sauce. Give that a quick mix. We're going to set that to the side. So I will be using 2 chicken breasts that I sliced in half. So that created about 4 thinly sliced chicken breasts. I'm adding in my favorite, my Caribbean green seasoning. You can purchase this in stores as well. Now I'm adding in a lot of the seasoning. I want to leave about half in the bowl so we can add it to the sauce once we create it. So just give that a quick mix. You can marinate this if you'd like. It's up to you. In a preheated skillet, I have it on medium-high heat. I will be adding in my chicken breast. I'm searing my chicken breast for about 3 to 4 minutes each side. You don't have to worry about it being fully cooked. To give it a little texture, we will be using the pressure cooker for this recipe. You can just use a heavy bottom pot. And you can slow cook it for about 3 hours. But the pressure cooker, oh my God, it's a lifesaver. So I'm only going to be cooking it for like 35 minutes. So in a blender, I'm adding in those soft peppers, some Sofrito, as well as a can of chilies in adobo sauce. We're going to give that a quick mix, puree it really well. See the texture? Oh, perfect. And the smell's even more amazing, y'all. Oh my gosh, you have to make it. So in my pressure cooker, I'm adding in that mix to it first. Next, I'm adding in just a little bit of butter for more flavor. This is salted butter. And then I will be adding in some tomato paste and the remaining of those seasonings. Go ahead and mix it as you pour in your water. Now I'm using about 3 cups of water. After that, we're going to add in that seared chicken. I love this. Now, of course, people use goat, all type of things, pork, beef, but I want to use chicken to keep it just a little healthy. Now we're going to add cinnamon sticks as well as a bunch of thyme. Give that another quick mix. Cover, and we're going to cook this for about 35 minutes. Look how tender this is. Oh my God, y'all know I had to taste test right then and there. This is so tender. I recommend getting an Instant Pot. Save up, do what you have to do because it is a lifesaver, especially on those busy weekdays. You can cook a dish like this within 40 minutes and it's done. Now here I have my corn tortillas. You want to dip it in that beautiful sauce. In a preheated little skillet or something that you have, go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil, avocado oil, whatever oil you like. And we're going to sear our corn tortillas on each side, flipping them before we add in the chicken, okay? So once I add in the chicken, we're going to let that cook for about 3 minutes. Next, I'm adding in that Mexican style cheese. And I will be using some fresh white onion. I diced them pretty small. And then I have some fresh chopped cilantro. And my heat is on like 300, I believe, 300 through 350. You don't want it too high. You want to give it time to, you know, that corn tortilla to crisp up on the outside where it's perfect. So now we're just going to close it. As you can see, this helps me a little bit more flatten down the ingredients in there. And then we're going to flip that, okay? Let that cook for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. I'm going to flip it on the other side to get it a little bit more crispy on the As you can see, perfect. Look at the cheese. Oh my gosh, y'all. So now I'm just going to continue to make the rest of them. This is it. This is the perfect recipe for Taco Tuesday. Oh, we're in love. This is one of our favorites now.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines Story.